Ever dreamed of owning a business that makes money while you're out living your life? Picture this. You're hiking in a mountain, sipping a coffee, or spending time with the family, and your business is working hard for you. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Today I'm breaking down the 10 best businesses to buy in 2025 that practically run themselves and why they're smart investments right now. Let's dive in. Number 1, self-storage and RV boat storage. This duo is a no-brainer because these businesses naturally complement each other. The self-storage industry is worth over $50 billion and continues to grow as people downsize and need extra space. Add RV and boat storage, and you're tapping into a booming outdoor lifestyle trend. People love their toys, but don't want to keep them in their driveway. The best part? With automated gates, online booking, and secure facilities, this business almost runs itself. Your job? Check on the lot and cash the checks. Number 2, automated car washes. Automated car washes are a genius investment. The car wash market is pulling in nearly $15 billion a year, and it's growing fast because people aren't washing their cars at home anymore. Touchless, eco-friendly systems are especially popular right now. These setups are completely automated, so you don't need employees. Just maintain the machines and refill the soap. Add a digital payment system and you've got a business that's truly hands-off. Number 3, laundromats. Laundromats are another classic recession-proof business that's perfect for 2025. Everyone needs clean clothes, and with housing getting smaller, not everyone has access to washers and dryers. Modern laundromats are almost fully automated using card or app-based payment systems, so no one has to collect quarters anymore. Add some Wi-Fi and security cameras, and this business can generate steady income with minimal effort. Number 4, vending machines. Vending machines might seem simple, but they're incredibly effective. The vending industry is booming with billions in sales each year, and healthy snack machines are especially trending. Place them in high-traffic areas like gyms, offices, or schools, restock them once in a while, and watch the revenue pile up. They're like tiny employees that work 24/7 without complaining. Number 5, subscription box businesses. Now let's talk e-commerce. Subscription boxes are like the gift that keeps on giving for you and your customers. The subscription box market is growing fast and it's expected to hit $65 billion soon. People love personalized, curated products delivered right to their door. You pick a niche, coffee lovers, pet owners, or skincare enthusiasts, and create a box they'll love. Partner with a fulfillment center to handle packaging and shipping, and you're left to focus on marketing while the revenue rolls in. Number 6, tiny home rentals or sales. Tiny homes are another big opportunity. Downsizing, minimalism, and affordable living are driving the tiny home boom. Millennials and retirees alike love this lifestyle. Rent them out as Instagram-worthy Airbnbs or sell them as affordable housing options. With automated booking platforms and outsourced cleaning services, tiny home rentals can be a hands-off income generator. Number 7, parking lots. This is one you might not think of. As cities grow and urban areas get busier, parking is a premium service. Whether it's for daily commuters, events, or long-term storage, owning a parking lot is simple and profitable. The parking industry in the US alone generates billions annually. Modern lots use automated payment systems and license plate recognition technology, so you don't need attendants. You handle the basic maintenance like repaving and signage, and the rest takes care of itself. Number 8, ATM ownership. ATMs may seem old school, but they're reliable cash cows. Every time someone withdraws money, you collect a fee, usually $2 or $3 per transaction. In a high-traffic location like a bar, gas station, or shopping center, one machine processes hundreds of transactions a month. Your job? Restack the cash and handle occasional servicing. Otherwise, it's hands-free income. Number 9, mail and shipping stores. Mail and shipping stores are thriving thanks to the e-commerce boom. With trillions of dollars in online shopping happening every year, people need reliable places to ship and receive packages. Franchises like UPS or FedEx offer built-in trust and brand recognition. Add mailbox rentals for recurring monthly revenue, and with a great manager, this business can practically run itself. Number 10, e-commerce dropshipping store. Finally, let's talk about e-commerce dropshipping stores. The dropshipping market is growing like crazy, heading towards $500 billion in the next few years. It's low risk and scalable, perfect for anyone starting out. Your supplier handles the products and shipping, so you can focus on building the website and marketing. It's one of the easiest ways to get started in online business. So there you have it. The 10 best businesses to buy in 2025 that are built to make your life easier. Whether you're looking for passive income, low stress, or just a chance to own something awesome, one of these could be your ticket to freedom. Now here's the fun part. Which one would you buy? Drop your pick in the comments. I'm dying to hear your thoughts. And if you want more ideas like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've got tons more content to help you build the business and the life you've always wanted. Remember, the best time to start is now. Let's make it happen.